The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, in a virtual press briefing today, stated that the recent incident at the CM's office at Tura had been instigated by the crowd that was pitched outside and not by the police who were defending and protecting him. He added that though there were lapses in the complicated situation, yet it is wrong to blame the circumstances on intelligence failure.
First of all, let me be very clear. It is the police who defended me, not harmed me. They were right in the front protecting me and protecting the other people sitting inside, including the leaders of the NGOs. The people who tried to harm were the people who were outside. So I don't think that's a correct analysis. The harm was being caused by the people who are outside. Who they are, only time will tell. But the police were doing their duty and they did it very well. And they swiftly acted, they put themselves in the front, they got injured and they protected and they did their duty. So I think it is completely incorrect, especially coming from a former Chief Minister who should understand the role and responsibility of what the police does when they always are in the front, sacrificing and even endangering their lives. I think condemning them is not the right thing to do and it's not fair at all. Regarding the fact that they are acting on behalf of the government, I have again repeating myself, everything is based on evidence. Every single person who's being picked up or arrested is on video, repeatedly instigating the people with very, very strong language. People who have instigated on Facebook and other social medias, and people who have through evidence and investigation been found to be connected in the overall incident that happened. So therefore it's very simple for somebody to just simply say they're acting on political masters or something like that. I don't think that's appropriate to say that. As I said, you can look into the whole thing and you will find that every action that's been taken has been based on evidence, and it so happens that certain individuals were linked to certain political parties, but that's how it is. But that is not the reason why it happened. It just so happened that they were linked to somebody. But as I said, the arrests were made not because they belonged to a certain party, but the arrest was made because the evidence was available.
But